Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today, in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about farm sites. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on farm sites. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are. Okay. Farm sites can be defined as a specific piece of land or area where a farm is located. It's the place where farmers grow crops or raise animals. A farm site includes fields, barns, and other structures used for farming. It's like the home for all the farming activities. Okay? Do we understand? Good. So farm site is the special piece of land where farmers grow crops and raise animals. It's where farm is located with fields and barns. It's where all the farming activities happen. Okay? We are going to be looking at pre-planting activities. Pre-planting activities are the things you do before you put the seeds in the ground. Okay? Choosing a good spot. Pick a sunny place with healthy soil for planting. You pick a good farm site, a suitable farm site with good soil and access to sunlight. Okay? You choose the right place. You pick a sunny spot with good soil. Okay? Getting the right seed. Choose the right seeds for the plants you want to grow. You choose the right seeds for the plants you want to grow. You understand that, right? You select the seeds you want to grow, like flowers, vegetables. You select a good seed, the right seed. Getting the soil ready. Make the soil nice and soft by digging and adding compost or natural materials. You prepare the soil by plowing and adding organic matter to improve soil fertility. We understand. You dig and loosen the soil, remove rocks, weeds, if any, you remove them from the soil. Create rows in the soil where you will plant your seeds. So these are the activities done before planting. Remember, pre-planting activities are the things you do before you put seeds in the ground. Remember, it's like getting everything ready for planting. It includes choosing a good spot, preparing the soil, selecting the right seeds to grow. So it's the stuff you do to make sure your plants will have a good start. Okay? Next, post-planting activities. Post-planting activities means the things you do after you have planted seeds in the ground. So what are the things you do after you've planted seeds in the ground? Watering the plants. Plants need water, so you make sure to give them a drink regularly. Give your plants water regularly. Just like you drink water, plants also need water, so you give them water regularly. Keeping weeds away. Remove any unwanted plants, weeds that might compete with your crops. You look for any unwanted plants, any extra plants, which are the weeds that have grown. You remove them because they will compete with your crops for nutrients, okay? Protecting from bugs. Look out for bugs that can harm your plants and take action to protect them. Keep an eye out for small insects that might harm your plants. If you see any, you take action to protect them. You remove them. Okay? Giving plants food. Sometimes plants need extra nutrients, like plant food, to grow strong. So you give them extra nutrients, plant food. Fertilization. You provide the necessary nutrients for plants. Watching them grow. Keep an eye on your plants and see how they change. You observe your plants as they grow. Measure their height and count the leaves if possible. Harvesting the crops. When the plants are ready, pick the fruits or vegetables you planted. When your plants are ready, you pick and enjoy the fruits and vegetables you have grown. So these are the activities you do after planting your seeds in the ground. The activities include taking care of your plants, making sure they have enough water, checking for any unwanted weeds, checking for bugs, give them food if needed, that's fertilizers, watch them grow. These activities is just like you looking after your plants to help them grow big and healthy. Then you harvest when they are ready. Okay, so do we understand? Today's lesson on farm sites. We understood it, right? We talked about farm site is the special piece of land where farmers grow crops and raise animals. It's where all the farming activities take place, right? Then we looked at pre-planting activities. We said they are the things you do before planting seeds. Choosing a good spot, preparing the soil, and selecting the right seeds to grow. We said all that, right? Then we looked at post-planting activities. They are the things you do after planting seeds. It includes taking care of the plants, make sure they have enough water, check for unwanted weeds and bugs, give them food if need be. And the food, what do we mean by that food? Fertilizers. And watch them grow to make sure they grow healthy and strong. We said all that, right? So we understood today's lesson on farm sites. Good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignments, right? They are easy, right? We learned about all these in today's lesson, so I'm sure we are going to be able to do it. That's good.